Hi, my name is Blake Hall, and today I'll be walking you through the Defender app for Clinhacks 2021. One of the challenges of the pandemic is that users can get general information about what areas to avoid each day to avoid getting sick or be put at risk, but they don't have something that adapts dynamically to different situations. When we began researching this product, we did user interviews, competitive research for different apps, user surveys, and public resources. Based on this, we created our persona Maria. She is a marketing person who wants to go out and meet family and friends, but she struggles with finding places that are safe and not busy when Google says they're not busy because a lot of people crowd at those times. So existing apps can help people learn about how diseases are transmitted and share tips for not getting sick, but they can't help users avoid high-risk situations as they arise. It makes it hard for her to limit her contact with other people. We can relate to Maria's challenges because we all have encountered situations like this since the pandemic started. So we thought, how might we help people avoid locations that are rapidly evolving into high-risk areas for disease transmission? Good question. We looked at the different solutions and why they may not work. We could let app users ping each other to contact trace, use Google search results with busy times to avoid privacy issues, or let people set appointments. But they all ran into problems with either critical mass adoption of the product in order to be remotely useful, or because it has concerns with data privacy. So in the end, empowering individuals to help each other out was the best solve. Apps like Waze have used it for years, and it sidesteps all the issues we raised earlier about data privacy, critical mass adoption to be useful, and it can still be supplemented by other data sources like Google. So our first feature with this app was an easy to understand interface. This means anyone can use it, even if they have low tech skill. The second thing was in-the-moment notifications so that users can dynamically adjust their behavior to avoid risk. The third thing was heat maps for additional support to tell you whether an area is just risky right now or risky in general, so you should avoid it overall. And the cool thing about this design is it has room for growth. You could add gamification so that people can become leaders of their community and keep watching out for others. You can allow business to promote safety products on it. You could use it for the flu season. You could even help people who are leaving their house to remember to take their mask with them. So with the right tools, we can help Maria feel empowered, and by providing her with easy to understand information, timely notifications, and additional insight, we can help her feel empowered, not afraid. You can view our prototype here, see the lessons that we learned, and in the end, I want to thank everyone who helped run this contest. It was a great thing to do, and I'm glad that we did it. Thank you.